This is scapula bone. So this is patella bone. You set in lateral side. This is patella bone which is lateral side. That you will set the knee now. You find come here closer you come. You will hear the sound. Yeah, the sound will do relaxation in the knee. And from this side, come closer. That sound. This will help. Fingers in the right. One more again in that.
हाँ बाबा
Come side, come this side, come this side. This is knee. So we will set it now. First flexion the knee, and after that you get that after that